Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Got a couple of cast members from the upcoming production of Drinking Habits. They're here to tell us all about the show. We want to welcome Elijah and Gina to the show. Thank you so much for joining us this early in the morning. And we were just talking in the break. This is the final days ahead of the big opening here, so it's going to be a rough couple of days, but all worth it in the end, I presume.
Oh yeah.
So tell me a little bit about Drinking Habits. What exactly is this? What are y'all putting on?
So Drinking Habits, and the shows it's going to be this upcoming Friday, May 5th through the 7th, and then 12th through the 14th. That's going to be the next weekend. It's all about nuns trying to hide the fact that they are making wine for the convent to try and raise money. And the Mother Superior has no idea what's going on. The characters that we play, I play Paul, she plays Sally. Our characters used to be engaged, but there's a little bit of a conflict there, and now we're being assigned to the same stories. And so we were sent over to this convent to try and figure out, are they making the wine? And so there's a bunch of twists and turns. You know, we're trying to disguise ourselves to figure out, is this what's happening? So you'll find both of us in a nun habit.
Okay,
Yes.
I mean, it sounds absolutely hilarious. Just, I mean, listening to the storyline for this. So, what's it been like getting everything ready for all of this?
It's actually been really, really fun. It's been a very close-knit cast, and we've been able to work together, and we've had a really quick turnaround on this as far as getting it, perfected for an audience. Still tweaking a few things on this last week here, but it's always really fun to just see a cast come together, from that first read through, and we're, some of us are just meeting each other for the first time, and then, putting together this production. And what's great about this show is it's a feel-good show. Our last show is on Mother's Day. It's a great show to come to with your family. There's something in it for everybody, and it's appropriate for all ages. And what's great about Stone Star Dinner Theater is there's nowhere else you can get that around here. Like, you go and you get served dinner, you're waited on, you don't have to worry about tipping them. Everything is included in your ticket price, and you get served this wonderful dinner, you see a show, and you get dessert. And yeah, it's just a great experience for everybody.
That absolutely sounds like it. So just real quick, kind of recapping, when are the show times, what are the show dates, and where can they find you?
Okay, so again, the show dates are going to be this Friday, May 5th through this Sunday, the 7th. And then it'll also be on the 12th through the 14th. That's going to be next weekend. And the way that you can reserve is by calling 417-358-9665. You're not able to buy tickets at the theater. You have to call and reserve them ahead of time.
Okay, some great information there.
Yes.
Well, thank you both so much for coming in this morning. And of course, if you missed any of it, we'll have it on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com a little later this morning. We'll be back with more news and weather right after this.